We're at the Samsung event. I wonder what's gonna come out. I don't know.
You filming me?
No. Hey. All right. Let's calm it down. Look at this loser with his camera. Oh, I'm gonna get the shot. 100,000 likes. KJ is playing Fortnite on that one.
Hello everyone.
Oh my God, yes. Yes, man. Oh my God.
¿Para cuántas personas?
Important to me to have the best gaming experience.
What's going on here,
One of the
man?
main
So red. Shut up, Matthew.
Actually, pretty cool stuff. It's pretty cool stuff. And it's pretty cool, actually.
We got the S24 Ultra. Stay tuned because I'm going to bust this thing open. Big thank you to Samsung for making this happen. I threw that box down really hard. I hope it's not cracked.